Saifu's Animal World. Those who are watching my video, watch till the end because it was always my dream to share information about animals. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Saifu's Animal World. Your valuable suggestions also needed to improve my videos. Actually, I selected animals as topic because I am a lover of animals.
But in this video, I'm not explaining any specific animals. I'm just telling about myself, my place, and the animals and birds in this area, and also about my channel. My love for animals not started today or yesterday. I was so crazy about animals when I was so young. My mom used to tell me that she feed me by showing the pictures of animals, or else I resist eating. When I became little big boy, I started drawing pictures of animals. That time, dinosaur was my favorite. I watch movies related to dinosaur. It's really lively movie. I have drawn a lot of pictures of T-Rex, Spinosaurus, Troodon, Triceratops, Ceratops, Brachiosaurus, Argentinosaurus, etc. Then I started to know more about other animals too. I always note down the information collected regarding animals and made many albums of animals. I have started this when I was 3 years old. Then slowly improved my drawing skill. And nowadays I started to make videos related to animals for my channel. I always used to watch Discovery Animals, Animal Planet, and Nature Wild since my early childhood. I love these channels like anything. I learned a lot about animals through this channel. There are a lot of videos in YouTube too. My parents and family identified my interest towards animals. They would buy a lot of books about animals and birds.
This is my place. You can see hills and forest. There are many chances of seeing different varieties of animals and birds here. We can see animals and birds like bison, elephants, Nilgiri tahr, hornbill,
Porcupine, sunbird, bulbul, leopard, wild dog, eagle, owl, grey jungle fowl, etc.
we can hear the roar of leopard. It will be very loud and very scary. Leopards are very dangerous. Last year it attacked many hens of mine and it killed the hens. It's a natural habitat of snakes too. We can see many species of snakes here like cobra, king cobra, kite, common kite, banded kite, viper, etc. I have already done a video about common kite. Many types of birds visit this area like parrot, sparrow, sunbird, eagle, wild hens, pigeon, etc.
Now I am going to show you a place where you can see the natural spring. It's amazing. Even in the hot summer, water never dries and it keeps on flow all through the year. It's a beautiful and a very lucky place. During summer season, the people come here from far place to collect this water for drinking.
It's so pure and cool. This is so tasty.
If my parents call me to go for an outing, then I shall confirm about the place and I'll check whether I can see any animals there. So always my travel list will be such that zoo, national park, poultry farm, etc. Bandipur National Park, Mudumale and Muttanga Wildlife Sanctuaries are near to my place. That's a great advantage to me. Many times we came across elephants, bear, bison, peacock, tiger, deer, warthog, etc. There are various kinds of insects we can see here. It's It's very interesting to observe them. This is the place where I come for fishing. Most of the time I will get snaked fish, wild guppy fish, catfish, etc. I will give you my idea of fishing in coming videos. I had lots of aquarium fishes like Oscar, piranha, koi carp, molly, but now I have angelfish, fighterfish, goldfish, and aquarium shark. My fighterfish feeds on earthworm. It's so natural. Look back. You can see the immense beauty of nature.
So I'm living in a place where I can learn more about fishes, birds, animals, and insects. So I will entertain and give informations about birds, animals, insects, and fishes. So please do watch my videos and support my channel. Thank you.